Welcome to Coimbatore. I've got a bathtub. Wow. Bathroom tour done. Put my luggage here. Shoes are here. And this is me. Completely mine. Welcome to Royal Enfield GT Cup. I've got a bottle here. Cap, t-shirt and a balaclava. Nice. This view, show you tomorrow. This is what it is. Hello guys and welcome to Coimbatore, welcome to Motorbeam. I am in Coimbatore today to race the Royal Enfield GT 650R. Yes, you heard it right. I'll be heading to Kari Motor Speedway to ride the 650cc race spec motorcycle from Royal Enfield, and this is the first time it's happening. I'm getting ready. I'm super excited to experience what a Royal Enfield would be on the track. It's almost 2 years I haven't been to Kari and the layout has also changed. So let's see what's on the day. This is after a long time as a manufacturer, Royal Enfield has got into racing, and to bring back the era of 70s racing, their flagship product, the Continental GT650, has been modified to be the race motorcycle. While I am here just to experience what this motorcycle is all about, there is an actual race happening too, where over 100 participants applied and the top 20 have been gunning for the win. And that's Mano going tan 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 tan.
You're making the sounds of the limiters.
Exactly. So this is gonna be in the video.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. You're gonna be featured at
Hashtag best.
Motorbeam. And our memories are being refreshed because we came here last for TVS.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Because I screwed up the suspension. They didn't screw up my race, right? Yeah.
So that's what happened, and today that's not gonna happen. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun tomorrow as well. Let's see. ये लोग क्या मैजिक करने वाले क्या?
What magic?
देखना इन लोग का. And this is the lunch. Roti, bhaji, rice and raita. There's curd rice too, and that's about it. Let's dig in.
Champions always stay alone like Dhanil,
Thanks.
making his own strategies in his mind, trying to figure out how
इधर
to...
क्या strategy करेगा? मजा करने आया. There's no competition here as such. Until unless there's a prize to it.
Yeah. Like if they are giving a bike maybe.
Exactly. वो मैंने वही question रखा उसके अंदर. If anybody wins a bike here, then it makes sense. Otherwise, नहीं.
Finally, can you confirm this on our online briefing that we'll be winning a bike for performing well in the race?
They only said cash prize मिलेगा. चलेगा. Bikes are getting ready for batch 1. These are 5 bikes. 1, 2, 3. 3 guys are here. Other 2 are coming, and this is what's gonna happen. Let's catch all the action.
Track number 50, possible jump start even up to that. Just a little bit
And we are done with the session today. It's day 1. Dino bhai, how are you?
लेकिन अच्छा, it was really lightweight and agile. The tires and the suspension made a world of difference. Lower clip-ons, raised foot pegs, a proper cafe racer experience, right? A throwback to the 70s legend actually, 60s legend.
Superb words and a superb view of the track with a super flare of a sunset, and the day could not end any better. So we'll be coming tomorrow to ride more. We'll have even more fun. So let's hope that we have that fun and enjoy the Royal Enfield Continental GTR 650 as much as we can.
Yes.
Dino bhai, peace out. How is it?
अभी तू खा ले.
So we are up, it's day 2 now, and look at this beautiful rainbow. Oh my god, so nice. So we'll be heading to track, but the thing is, it started raining. So I don't know how the experience is gonna be for day 2, but it's gonna be something different. We've already done the GTR 650 yesterday. It was a fairly okay experience. A little bit tiring, a little bit engaging. The motorcycle is heavy at 175 kg, so let's see how it goes. But nice. We are on the track. It's what's up, Priyanka? It's day 2, and I forgot to mention one thing about this bike, that this one is almost 24 kgs lighter. No lights, nothing. I already mentioned that, and produces 12% more power, but only the exhaust is different. The engine is unchanged, tires are better, suspension is different, and the front suspension is adjustable. You've got this windscreen here, a cowl, and that's about it. Fuel tank is the same. Seats are a little different. These are the touring seats, and yeah, so the tail ends before the axle comes. So you can see that this is the axle, and right above it, yeah. So let's go and let's see what's there for today. That is the recovery crane which is being used for other kind of recoveries. While it gets aligned, we are here on the track, the pit exit, where we are shooting the PTCs and all the stills and all of that. Everybody is aligned. There are people waiting because there are just 4 bikes that we have to share between 24 media. Pretty nice, huh? So I've got the bike to myself, and I've already talked about it. It's a pretty decent bike. This is the Continental GT as it was. Few subtle changes: seat, suspension, tires, exhaust, front suspension. Actually not the suspension itself, it's just the preload setting over here, and a massive cowl. No electronics. Weight drop by 24 kgs, 25 kgs, 12% more power just because of the exhaust. And the main change is that the sprocketing has been changed for this track. So the sprocket that goes in here is now of 14 tooth instead of 15. So that's about it. Pretty sure the motorcycle revs faster, it does, but it redlines even faster. So that is a bit of a problem. Although it only goes up to 7000 rpm, and there are so many times that I have been redlining it on the track right here. This is the main straight, entering the corner from there. But this is actually quite fun. Little heavy, little demanding. Worth it? Yes, pretty much. All catered up, waiting to go, waiting to talk. गौर से देखिए इस आदमी को. डिनो भाई, heading out.
क्या लास्ट 1 घंटे से वही राइडिंग आउट ही चल रहा है.
So
बुलडोजर आ गया टॉयलेट में.
I know. Recovery and track marshal. So things are going around. My part is done. So far so good. We'll end the video here. Just see you soon. Bye bye. If anyone wants to participate in racing, there is a chance with Royal Enfield too now. All you have to do is visit their website and apply for the next year championship, while only requirement will be that you should have some kind of training certificate from a racing school or at least some race wins and an FMSCI license.